The bike's so loud it's setting off alarms.
Where it's like, wah, 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 like
We ran out of gas.
already it's pulling pretty hard.
Can you
It
see
just
what
keeps
number?
going up and up.
What's going on, guys? We're back with another vlog, volume 3 of the El Diablo build series. If you like what you've been watching, please subscribe.
This is the good one.
This is the good one. So Matt's bike has been at Champion for the last, I don't know, few weeks.
Yeah.
Motor work's been getting done. The Champion guys were nice enough to film a bunch of that, so we're gonna roll some of that right now. It's gonna go in the dyno. Matt's gonna see it for the first time.
I'm stoked. I'm excited to see what it's looking like. And,
Yeah, dude.
And we're gonna look at yours while we're at it too.
Yeah, my painter just got here. He dropped off all my tins. What's up?
The one. Sick.
Front seats.
I don't want to take away from the El Diablo, but you're gonna get to see.
We gotta look at it, right?
You're gonna
It
get to
looks-
see my bike
it looks-
too.
It looks great.
So let's roll the B-roll of the boys working on Matt's bike, and let's go check it
Go
out.
check out my bike.
Let's go check it out. Let's go.
Came out good. God damn it, that looks good.
Jeez, the gold looks so much better in person too.
It looked good on the photo, but fuck.
It looks even better in the sun.
It's,
Oh yeah, the little details, right? The little things. Alright.
Matt, the LP4.
oh, right. I want to see the light on it too. Just fuck.
Very yellow.
Yeah.
It's very yellow.
But hopefully that also means it's very bright.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Yeah. I was looking at this. Fuck, it looks so good, man. Just trying to get the backrest out. I was dumb and I got part of it powder coated, but it looks sick. But it's gonna get powder coated, or it got powder coated, and now it's really snug.
Very snug.
Generally, would walk this here, right?
get this thing on the dyno. Let's see what numbers it's putting out.
Fucking sounds mean.
File and it's just not updated.
Right.
We'll try that while we're waiting.
Alright, cool.
Hopefully it's not a wash.
What's going on right now?
Well, it's supposed to get tuned, but the bike's too new. So, well, the bike's new and it doesn't have a file for this particular bike. So he's on the phone with Power Vision to get the file sent to him so he can start tuning it. So, that's crazy.
There you go.
It's gonna be so sick seeing this all patina over, like, once it actually gets going, because it's the one thing that stands out from the gold.
The colors all match.
Oh yeah, and he's got fucking two of them, but they're
I got two of them.
But they're LP6s. I have an LP4. He's got a 6, and he's got fucking two of them on the front of his.
Nice.
Like, think of how bright just this is.
It's all.
You could fit the LP6 in this, but you got to cut part of the inner fairing. I don't.
No, you don't want to get into that.
I'm not doing that.
That's a lot.
Like you can. Well, you can. If you want to recess it in, you can put it in without, but it sticks out the ear.
You're
It
messing
looks
with the
stupid.
integrity of the bike too,
I'm not-
right?
yeah, I'm not
Being
cutting the
1500.
Yeah, I got the LP6s, two of them in my Road Glide, so
Yeah.
we're gonna
But
be
yeah,
we're gonna be lighting the way for everyone.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, we'll have to be at the front of the pack.
Yeah, I mean anyone behind. If there's like people in front of us, it's gonna be too bright in there.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
I like riding it in the very back too. I just like doing
That's
that,
it.
but I don't think that's.
You won't be
I'm
able
not
to
gonna-
now.
it's
I mean,
gonna-
we're gonna be racing anyway, so.
Taking the mirrors off our bike.
Yeah. Oh, at least half the people who ride choppers don't even have mirrors.
It's true.
We're good.
That's actually true. I can just ride in the back if I want. Yeah,
Yeah,
nobody,
yeah.
nobody's
Still
got
light, and
mirrors.
still light up the way
Yeah,
blocks. That's
exactly.
it.
Nobody else has got mirrors on their bikes.
Oh, for sure.
About to tune the bike. It's on the dyno, ready to go. And see what happens.
Let's see what numbers we get out of this thing. We've already heard it. It sounds insane.
It sounds pretty good.
It's super bright. Sounds insane. Looks amazing.
You start seeing the numbers, but it's going to take a while. So we're still going to be here a bit, but I think it's going to be pretty good.
On the last map I had open to this one,
Yeah.
it's different throttle positions.
Okay.
So it'll always show higher torque
I see.
from lower to higher because I'm going from a lower throttle position to a higher and then higher and then higher all the way.
yeah.
This way I make sure by the time I'm done I cover everything.
Okay. That makes sense.
So the run I had open before this one
Yeah.
was 10% throttle. Now, there's a lot of little weird kind of trickery that happens in the map, in the graphs. If you
Yeah.
don't know kind of what you're looking at,
Right.
people get worried. So for example, if you look at the graph, see how it was bouncy? So if you'll notice when I start, after I make these changes and I start tuning it again, you'll see, if you watch the RPM gauge, you'll see the needles like having a little seizure. And
Yeah,
every
yeah.
time it does that.
I did
it
notice
does
that.
this
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just losing its signal.
Yeah, so in the beginning, as a tuner, you're like, oh, what the fuck, something's wrong. You start chasing your tail without realizing it's nothing. It's literally, so I just look past it, right? Like if that line was there and then it lost signal, then it got the signal back here, then obviously that line went there. You know? Right. So I just, a little bit of common sense applies, I guess. Which isn't so common, so I don't know what that fucking means.
Apparently it's pretty wild on the torque.
Supposedly.
Yeah.
I haven't used it yet. I mean, specs-wise, it makes sense for your build. Yeah. Because the next level, if you didn't do valve springs, would have been a 475. Yeah. Which I know is docile, because it's what I have in my own bike, and it's docile.
Okay. Now, apparently the thing, you can kind of feel it as soon as like 18 or 1900 RPMs or something. Just what I've read about it, anyways.
Once I get the RPM sorted out, we'll be able to see a clean graph. I'm going to fix it, because in the top end here, it's too, I can't fucking do that.
Yeah.
It's what?
It's setting off that beamer alarm.
You keep setting it off?
Sick. Bike's so loud it's setting off alarms.
That's sick. Fuck. It's making my eyes water being in there.
Intimidated.
Yeah, it's
intimidated. It's scary.
Say it again?
Already it's pulling pretty hard. It just keeps going up and up.
I don't remember. Why are you crying? Because you're so pumped right
fuck
now.
Yeah, fuck. The graphs I saw, just when it turns on right away, so it just spikes right away, and then it starts to level out, right? And then that's when the torque and the horsepower start to align a little bit more. At least from the last ones, I'm interested in this.
You're making him cry. You're making him cry because he's so excited about
I'm just watching the numbers just go up and up and up. I like that.
It'll keep going. There's lots more.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You can see the line gets better and better and better and better.
Just each time you just watch it go up. Yeah. Fucking.
We need to see over 120.
What's that?
We need to see over 120.
Hell yeah, we do.
Anything over 120 is what we need to see.
Yeah.
Then I'm happy. Should be like 140 torque. Although, maybe not. This cam looks evenly matched.
Is it?
Because right now, even with a terrible AFR, at 111, it's 113 torque.
Oh yeah?
So the torque, 111, 112 at 90%. At 80%, 110, 113. 113, 99. Oh, so there it was different at 60% throttle.
Yeah.
What's it revving?
6,500.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
But I didn't take off the soft cut, so it won't blast to red line, like it won't go, it won't do that. Right at just above 6, it goes.
And that's where it started. That's what I was wondering about that. Because then when you were geared up and you tried from there, I was like, where's that coming and why isn't it popping now, right?
Yeah, it's because of the soft cut on these new bikes. So all these new ones have it. So I can eliminate it, but by eliminating it, you also eliminate the transition throttle. Okay. So meaning when you give it 100%, you get 100%, versus like a rise of RPM rate. It just makes the bike smoother.
Right.
So if you were like doing a hot rod like the FXDR in the front, I fucking would remove everything. But then it's like riding in a 1989 dyno, like an old FXR or something, where it's like, So you want some refinedness, especially since you guys are planning on traveling across
a lot of
the Yankee land. Like you need to have some level of comfort,
it needs to be comfortable,
and drivability,
not just power.
And reliability, and like a lot of these guys are like, oh, you can get 7,200 RPM, 6,900. I'm just like, what the fuck? The RPM, if the power is falling off before, why would I? Why would I do that? It's just
hurting it up.
It don't make sense. So, pick and choose your battles. Same thing with tuning, right? Just pick and choose what to do and what not to do. getting there.
That's
Ran out
good.
of gas.
It did run out of gas?
That's what that.
What are we looking for horsepower?
Oh, fuck, this is still hurts my eye. Right now we're at 112 and then, 118 foot-pounds of torque. But it's still early. He's got a few more hours to do it. Hurts the eyes.
We ran out of gas. We ran out of gas.
Yeah.
I'll put it in there.
Where do you want